Meanwhile, the impact of the global economic slowdown continues, and the technology sector could now be under pressure because of the slower growth in China and the fact that much of Europe is now in a recession. Chip makers seem to be the latest economic casualty, raising questions about the impact of slower growth on other tech companies. Karina Huber has more.
The second quarter of this year has not been kind to makers of semiconductors. Both advanced microdevices and applied materials, which are involved in the production of computer chips, have just lowered their sales expectations. Demand for their products has been sluggish thanks to slower growth in China and Europe's economic weakness. AMD has also been hurt by a drop in demand for personal computers, thanks to the growing popularity of mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. AMD specializes in chips for PCs, not mobile devices. But other semiconductor companies are faring better with the current pressures. AMD's top rival, Intel, just announced it would be buying Dutch chip equipment maker ASML to speed up development of one of its chips in a deal valued at $4 billion.
AMD is not as financially solid as a bellwether company like Intel with substantial capital and financial flexibility. Two, Intel is a lot less focused on the PC than AMD is. And three, Intel seems to kind of, at times, think bigger and think more creatively about its future than other companies.
The technology sector as a whole could be in for a bumpy ride as uncertainties in the global economy continue to mount. Experts say companies are hesitating before investing in technology.
Really what you see here is probably what we've seen a number of times over the last decade, which is kind of a focus on back to basics. Products that are affordable, products that are easy to purchase and implement, and products that provide relatively quick returns on investment.
Which companies make the technology products deemed absolutely necessary are the ones that are most likely to withstand the economic roller coaster the best. Karina Huber, CCTV, New York.